So when it comes to personal accountability as one of our core values, it doesn't differ that much from teamwork, in my opinion. Because if you're going to be a good team player, you have to be personally accountable. You have to take care of what you said that you would take care of. You have to stand by your job, your position, what you're there for. Otherwise, you're not being a good team player because somebody else on the team is going to have to pick up your slack. So being personally accountable is definitely an important value.
I have a job to do, and if I fail at my job, or if I fail at following up, for instance, I gotta own that. I can't blame other people. I think that's very important.
Accountability. We have to make sure when we leave that home and while we're there that we're putting our best forward. Right? We want to leave a good impression. Not only a good impression will be left for the company, but as an individual as well. And that's something I kind of like because I think everyone who on our team represent those core values.
Due to my military background, because I was in the military in Venezuela, this is my responsibility with our force. I have a sense of belonging to the company, and that makes me comply with everything, such as the schedule, the uniform. I carry all of that in my personal responsibility.
Personal accountability is a core value that I really appreciate because it involves trust in the employees and the managers of the company. Really, we can feel this is real, and we can develop our work always having the trust of the owner of the company.
We have to be professional, and we have to treat everyone like we are professionals. So far, I think we are doing a pretty good job. Everybody's taking their own action seriously. So I think personal accountability is important.